Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect OpenAI or ChatGPT to n8n. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. I'm now inside my n8n interface, and to connect ChatGPT to n8n, it's simple. You can either go to and open one of your workflows, for example, this workflow, then click on yes, below an AI agent. Let's remove this. Below AI agent and exactly below chat model, you can click on this little plus icon, look for chat GPT or OpenAI chat model, then click on create new credentials, and you will land on this page. The same page you can arrive to the same page directly from the create credentials from here. And if you are in your personal folder, you can click on go to credentials to see the credentials or the apps you connected. In my case, I only connected Google Gemini. To connect ChatGPT or OpenAI, click on create credentials, then search for OpenAI, click on it, click on continue, and you will land on the same page. Now keep this window open and search on Google for ChatGPT API. I will open it in this new page, then click on the first page. You will see openai.com/API. Just hover over login and select API platform. You will land on this new page. Here, make sure to go to the dashboard page in order to see API keys. Click on it. And if it is the first time in your case, like me, you need to create your new secret key. Click on it. This page opens up, owned by you. You can give this new key a name, for example, my n8n. For example, my key for n8n. For the project, you can select this default project. After that, you can set the permissions and click on create secret key. Now click on copy, like that, to copy your secret key. Go back to the n8n page, delete this like that, and select and paste your key using your keyboard, for example, Command V or Control V if you are on a PC. After that, click on Save. Credentials successfully created inside your personal space. As you see, the connection tested successfully. Now, to make sure that OpenAI is fully connected, you can go back to as you see here, you can just see OpenAI account below credentials. This means that you connected ChatGPT successfully. But to make sure or to see your ChatGPT in action, just click on let's create a new workflow. Click on add first step. For example, I will start it with I will use chat trigger. Close. Then I will add an AI agent, and for for the chat model for this new AI agent, I will connect OpenAI chat model. Here, credentials to connect with, select OpenAI. Close this. From this list, you can select which model to use. We are only testing right now, so now click on Open Chat and see. As you see, the AI agent used ChatGPT or OpenAI to, as you see, insufficient quota detected. Don't worry here. My ChatGPT account does not have enough quota or enough quota to run this to reply to this hi message. So don't worry, in your case, it will work. And this is how to connect ChatGPT to Hostinger successfully. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.